Pod kami.
7 nata.
Right now we are 6.
Hi, sir. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Hello! Happy birthday! Invited ka din?
Good ka niya.
Casher ka? Pres!
Unique lang yun.
Ano ni nga ganda, Pres?
Unique.
O makuha kami ano isang ticket. Okay? Kuha ka ticket, di ka ka-join sa mga festivities nila. Bali, sa mga rides na?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Tiga ba? Okay. Ako na. Okay. Alright.
Wait for the ticket, sir.
Oo. Okay, thank you. Ang amon nga agent gali, Aryo.
Ang suspect.
Siya nang culprit kay siya ni sa mga amon casting agent. Philip. Shamsi!
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe ah! Sir Richard here.
Hi. Thank you guys for coming.
Of course. Thank you for inviting us, sir.
Of course, anytime. We'll have a photo.
All right. All right. Woohoo! Okay. Basta Ilonggo celebration, may takyang kita niya.
Are you pumped up by now? He is also turning 48 outside of his homeland and now he's coming home.
Isa ka
A
ticket?
fulfilled
Isa ka
man.
ticket tapos may
So
amon
let us get to know him even
Isa.
better. Born in St. Mary's
So, para
Hospital.
makakaon ka, one ticket, isa ka food. Okay? So, makaon tayo kikiam.
Richard
Alam mo, no?
is your body first
Kikiam.
rich man. Strong.
Okay.
At a very young age.
Thank you.
At
Ikaw,
the
Gise.
Academy of Arts University in San Francisco. Is an active
Okay.
duty with
Okay,
the
thank you, thank you.
Army of the United States.
Oh,
And also, the number
gutom naman si
8
Jeline eh.
is
Di ba?
considered
Makaon man siya ko, no? Yeah.
considered
Countdown.
an
So, we need to eat. Okay?
Wow, unique party. Grabe. This is the first time
Yeah.
ever.
Mhm.
birthday would
We're going to vlog each other.
with his loved ones.
Vlogging each other.
It was something out of the ordinary. First,
Samtang nagka-party dito, nangita kami sa lamisa nga pwede makanan kay budlay mag-vlog samtang kakaon. Doon hindi na pwede. So, may kay dito sa Molo Mansion, may canteen sa garden. Canteen sa hardin. Alright. So, chill kami di Anay. Kami ni Shamsi. Okay. One account. Wow! Yes. Specialty yan ha. Okay. Kaya si Jeline.
Yay! Count na.
Siguro mo na niyang last vlog namon or last collab namon ni Jeline. For now. For now. For a very long time siguro. So, gina-grab naman ng chance nga ni sa birthday party ngayon ni Sir Richard Barrios.
Yeah.
Ano ka nang iyang hashtag?
Hashtag
Reaching something. Basta mo na.
Dreams, I think.
Reaching dreams at 48.
On 48
no,
ka
sa
muna.
mo na.
Doesn't look 48 though.
Gane man.
Looks young, no?
Yeah.
So nurse ni siya. Tapos sa US Army. I think no sa akon nga pag-investigate. Okay. So this is actually one of the most unique nga birthday events or birthday celebration nga naatinan ko. So may theme, carnival theme, kompletos, legados, may sound system, may performance sa mga tagyang, may cosplayer pa ko nga nakita. Tio, wala labot kay Shamsey ha. Okay. So kami invited mga vloggers. So I'm going to enjoy the night. Alright. Doon nalingaw na lang kami sa Estudiad eh.
Gani.
Pwede na kami kabalik sa
Wala na.
party proper. Subong nga rin naman din si Preso. Oh, kinapoy sa tindog ko to. Subong ko lang galit na balan nga si Herms. Okay. Wala kay inom. Wala kay inom. Oh man. Hey, ikaw you don't drink man? Yung sila yaman?
Boring.
But that doesn't mean we're boring.
Joke.
We have social life, guys.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, ibang klase. Tayo to. First time ko
Let me
na.
just catch my breath.
First time ko kita party nga mo ni. Unique.
Alright, we stay at 48 from this year onward. Challenge this lady with another 20 pesos. For just 20 pesos.
Ano ang pangon nito, ma'am? Okay, okay. Sige. Good luck, good luck.
One more.
So, ma'am, pag siya bato-bato,
Now the pot money is 60 pesos.
Please do subscribe to my channel.
You're also a blogger. Yeah. Ready? Dito nga ako. Nakatamaan ako. Okay, ready? Go! Bato, bato, pick! Oh, sorry. You have to give the 20 pesos to her. Bato, pick! Bato, bato, pick! Ay! So,
Ma'am, baka kami si Shamsey dito sa darts.
ready? Go! Bato, go! Bato, bato, pick!
Good luck, guys.
Our celebrant. Level up, level up. Level up. Okay, we have another. Go, Phuket. No trial, one chance to win. Ha? Wala pa. Okay, Puesto. Ready? Okay. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Puesto. Ready? Go! Bato, okay! One more! Okay, bato, pick! Bato, bato, pick! You! Another challenger! Go! Oh, pick! Oh! Oh! Bato, bato, pick! Bato, bato, pick! Bato, bato, pick! Go! Bato, bato, pick! Bato, bato, pick! Sorry! Do we have another challenger? Come on! Alright, you have your 20 pesos, sir. Ready position? Closer. Yeah. Go! Bato, bato, pick! Sorry! Alright, wow, sagad. Sorry. Okay, do we have another chance? Last three. Ready? Go! Bato, bato, pick!
So, alright, matamat kami.
Thank you.
Kita na italiwat ka. Dungan tayo. Dungan tayo. Bye-bye. Yes. Lakad kami. Okay. Okay. Sige, sir. Thank you again, sir. Alright. Alright. Okay. Pagwa na kami kay na-realize sila hindi.
Scripted.
Oh, na-realize sila hindi kami invited.
Bago na nila na notice.
No.
Mga crashers.
Pero damo na kami nakaon kag ngayon.
Oo.
So okay na. So na
Ridiculous.
Makita naman to sa lain niya birthday.